Morning guys, spotted this on Thingiverse, so I thought I'd print it and try it. It's a pouring nozzle for your larger plastic containers, the 5 litre size. I thought I'd give it a try. Got a little bit funny up there. No support layers there. Still, I was looking for random stuff and that came up. Hi guys. Been looking on Thingiverse for a couple of items that I wanted. Trouble is, when you start looking on Thingiverse, you see all sorts of other things that are interesting. There's a few things just off the top of the screen there. And there's this thing. A 5 litre bottle funnel by Dan241297. And the Thingiverse number 5441526. I printed it off because I thought I'd give it a try. This bit is just the support layer, which should come off without everything else breaking, but it seems to be sticking rather well. I might put a knife under there just to lever it off, but the idea is that should fit on that. Which it does, except that's in the way at the moment. And then I can pour the screen wash into my car without having to get a separate funnel. We'll try it out. So I'll trim that off. That actually, having said that fits, that feels a little bit loose. But it might be better once we've done it up. Right, I'll trim the support off. Yep, that fits now. We'll go and give it a try. Before we give it a try, in there's a little bit of filament. Probably can't see it very clearly on here. But where I didn't put a support layer in there, we got a bit of filament hanging loose where it didn't make it over the top properly. So I think I'll just heat something up and melt that in position. And then we'll try it. We'll give it a real life test. Okay. Well, it worked. The only problem is you can't adjust the position that finishes in. So potentially it could point entirely the wrong direction. But it worked for me. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.